Enjoy greater protection with the durable battery and 4G wireless network. Introducing Reolink TrackMix LTE Plus, a powerful security camera working on 4G LTE networks. Feel free to install it anywhere with no Wi-Fi. Its super durable solar-powered battery brings non-stop power to the camera like never before. Large solar panel along with built-in battery frees you from worries about battery life. Contains a built-in heater to stay charged in extremely cold weather. It will protect what you care about in a cost-saving and eco-friendly way. The dual lens provides both a full view and a close-up of the event for you, while automatically tracking the moving target. You can see every fine detail clearly and know what happens anytime, even at night.
Hey,
Sorry, I just confused.
get off my property.
Also, it will alert you when a person, car, or animal is detected. Reolink, always secure and reliable.